Hey everyone! If you want to know how to make a transparent background, keep watching this video, because Sam knows how. Okay guys, let's get started. Open your file in Photoshop. Then select Magic Wand tool or just press W on your keyboard. Here. Select area you want to make transparent. As you see, this area hasn't been selected, so you just need to hold Shift and click there. You can even zoom to make it more correct. Nice. After everything selected, we need to inverse. Go to Select, Inverse. Nice, almost done. Let's create a mask. To make it, select Add Vector Mask. Right here. Looks great, right? Next we go to Image, Trim, and select Transparent Pixels and click OK. Well done! Let's save it, and remember to save it in PNG format. File, Save as, PNG. Example 2. Remember, PNG file, PNG format, and save it. Okay, great. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and leave the comment. Thank you, and see you in the next video.